Welcome to Mobius 8 Organics. We're excited to bring you the next installment of our Fun Worm Facts series. This is why you need red wigglers in your compost bin. Discover their remarkable lifespan now. These tiny eco-warriors, known for their voracious appetite for organic waste, can live for 1 to 5 years under ideal conditions. Imagine that, up to half a decade of turning scraps into rich, fertile soil. Red wigglers thrive in temperatures between 13 and 25 degrees Celsius, with moisture levels just right. Think of a damp sponge. Keep their environment cozy, and they'll reward you with nutrient-rich compost for years. So next time you toss those kitchen scraps into your compost bin, remember, you're not just feeding worms, you're nurturing a team of long-lived organic alchemists. Want to know more fun worm facts? Subscribe to Mobius 8 Organics and keep your compost thriving. Remember, a healthy worm bin means a healthier planet. Happy composting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing worm facts.